Introducing the Oral-B Deep Sweep Electric Rechargeable Toothbrush. Unlike a manual toothbrush that can only move one way at a time, the Oral-B Deep Sweep features triple zone cleaning action, a dynamic moving power tip for hard-to-reach back teeth, shorter stationary bristles for thorough tooth surface cleaning, longer sweeping bristles reach deep in between teeth. Plus, the Oral-B Deep Sweep was designed to be used like your manual toothbrush, making it easier to use while removing up to 100% more plaque, providing you superior results. The Oral-B Deep Sweep Electric Rechargeable Toothbrush. Oral-B, the #1 dentist recommended toothbrush brand worldwide.